Hi there. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about nitric oxide boosted by chili peppers. When a paper is presented at the American Heart Association at its annual meeting that says the consumption of chili peppers reduces heart disease 26%, cancer 23%, all-cause mortality 25%, you have to sit up and take notice. Why is that so effective? All-cause mortality with statins, 0.49%. Think for a second. Do you want to take statins and their side effects? Or do you want to take chili peppers? Well, the answer is pretty elegant and pretty simple. It's been right in front of our eyes. And the reason we haven't detected it is because nitric oxide is an incredibly evanescent gas. It doesn't hang around in your blood easily. And the physiology of it is a wee bit complicated. But if we focus on the effect of nitric oxide in heart disease and cancer and diabetes, and all-cause mortality starts to make sense. Well, first of all, chilies were discovered in the New World. Columbus brought them back, and they have spread all around the planet Earth, becoming incredibly important in every cuisine from Thailand to China to India and everywhere in between. We all like chilies. It's a bit of an acquired taste. The first time you taste them, it's a little bit spicy. You might be taken aback. But bit by bit, you get accommodated, and then you get really fond of them and like them a lot. Okay. Do you want to try to understand just what it is in chilies that helps you do so well? Well, see if you can understand this kind of language. There are various proteins that are affected. The TRPV1 receptor, transient receptor potential vanilloid type 1. How's that for a mouthful? It affects calcium flow across membranes. It's widely expressed all over the body, including in sensory fibers, controlling insulin release from beta cells. That increase in calcium increases endothelial nitric oxide. There you have it. Okay. Now, we lose nitric oxide about 12% per decade. So by the time you're 7 decades old, you've lost 85% of your nitric oxide. That's a huge loss. And to boost it is probably one of the most important things we can do for our health. Can you get used to liking chilies? Try it. Try eating them a couple times. Make a mild formulation, but bit by bit, intentionally add chilies to your diet. What will work for me? I personally like something called spicy chili crisp, which is imported from Hong Kong. Unfortunately, it's made with soybean oil, and I'd really like olive oil. So I'm looking for an olive oil-based product because I don't like the omega-6s in soybean oil. But we should all be eating more chilies. This is Dr. John Whitcomb, News and Nutrition. Eat more chilies. Extend your life 25%. Cool.